I'm live right now. Late night show. Out of nowhere, late night show. Just logging in. Yeah, I'm live. How's that music? Is it too loud? Late night show. I'm just going through this show. Real chill. Probably not even gonna say anything unless anybody joins. I don't know if anybody will join, we'll see. One viewer, that's most likely me. So, nobody watching this channel. It's a lost channel in the internet. It's a lost channel. But we are live, so don't hold back. Ask any questions, ask anything, talk about crypto. Just bringing up the chart. Get this music to chill with. I'm here, Patrick RG in the house. What's up? It's late over here, man. I think I overdid it. You think of some of these graphs I pulled up though. Got BCH, BSV, rocking right here. Let's see what's good right here, my man. How long you been holding crypto, bro? A while. Two different scenarios for BCH, or what is this, BSV? Yeah, this is BSV against the dollar. We can keep going down right here, obviously. Something like this. That would not be uncommon at all. Make it a log. That right there. BCH. This could happen so easily. I mean, we could literally go to 5K. So easy. BCH price prediction. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it right now. Do it right now. I'm trying to craft this out for you perfectly. It's probably, I think we'll take off here soon. We'll actually do this. We'll take off soon, so I think it'll be, there it is, something like this. There it is. This is the momentum right here. Being suppressed right here. That's why I got it coiled back right here, because we keep falling against BTC. That's why I say it's got to be coiled right here. So we're getting trapped in this down spiral. And then we're going to go like this. And we'll go up from here. Probably be a little more volatility actually. Let's go back. Ah, shoot, I'm fucking up. So this is going to be suppressed. It's almost like ln squared. It's fallen, right? This is fallen so hardcore right here. I mean, this is like that first BTC run up where everything was pairing with it. But this right here was a dump. That was on all the alts. So something like this. Prediction wise, we're gonna run sideways from here. Sideways. Now I'm hoping two things could happen if that happens. We could take off here. And go up from here. we could just honestly keep going up. I mean, that would be best case scenario. So that could happen as well, and it could happen, you know, take it back over here. But it's just a matter of, I think it's just a matter of where it happens, going right here, because this is where this momentum is this drop, because this is where BCH has fallen against BTC, because we really should already be up here, honestly. Like, we should be, you know, well over 1,000 right now, just like a lot of the other alts. It hasn't happened yet, but it's gonna happen. So taking this over. Sorry for the amateur graph skills, just getting going on this this platform. It's this trading view, so it's a new platform for me. I usually use Yahoo Finance, but I want to say you have to assume when we fell here, this is where that momentum will kick back. So we could honestly fall a little bit farther. Like, we could fall, you know, wherever this momentum right here falls and stops. That's awesome. Thanks. Yeah, I've been figuring around 600 or 700, and then from there we'll see. Yeah, I 600 or 700. That would put us right here. Yeah, that seems to be kind of fair. But I think once we break here, we're gonna go for, you know, for a minute, bro. It's gonna be big. You'll see. If you're holding, you'll see. So you can just take it right here. See, Doge doesn't even. Why the hell are we looking at Doge? But TradingView doesn't even have Doge. See, this is the scam behind it. All these trading sites, they don't list the data. I used to go to yahoo.com and get all this shit. Yeah, BCH. Look at this shit. Let's chart out. Yeah, man, look at this. Shit only goes back to, actually this one, I take it back. There's just a little action that doesn't show on here, but some of these other altcoins, it's gone. Yes, pure truth. It was destiny. I came back here for hear more for you. Luke Han, are you a real person? What kind of coins you holding, brother? Pull them up here on the live stream. So there's Doge. You don't even see this. What a scam, right? They ain't giving you all the information. Not cool. Well, that's just part of it, I guess. They don't want everybody to know where the pumps are coming. So back to BCH. We're falling right here, guys. Right here. But this thing has to exist. This part of the graph has to exist. How I got it cocked back right here, it's because it's being suppressed so hardcore. That's why if you look at BCH against Bitcoin, it just is a wedge down. I'll pull up the graph later. But see what I mean? It's got to fall at some point. It's going to catch somewhere. There seems to be some kind of support right here. This general zone. It seems to be like the main 4-year, you know, 4-year support. I'm hella real, brother. Thank you so much. You're welcome, Lucan. Thank you, man, for watching. Feel free to ask me anything, guys. I'm just kind of dicking around here on the graph, but Zelen squared or something like that. But this momentum is what I'm saying. It's a lot of energy in it. When it just takes off, it just goes, you know, when we're looking at it in log, which we're looking at in log. See, this is what it'll look like on the graph, and this will shrink, obviously. You know, I think once we go up past here, it's OV, it's over OV right here, because this right here is a big level. So if we can cross that with any substantial amount, sky's the limit. I mean, I think a lot of alts will do that too. If you look at Ethereum Classic, it's kind of been going that same pattern. BCH, Zcash, Dash, NMR. I think did you put XMR? Or is that one that I don't know? But I recognize some of the other ones, REP, Litecoin, LFG. I don't know any of those, but I'll have to look into them. Bond. We have to have a meetup with these golden days in Golden State of the Bay Area, Norco. Haha. From Norco, bro? Word. Yeah, let me know. If you're ever down in Orange County, definitely meet up for a coffee or something. But yeah, so this right here, guys, this thing's powerful right here. You know, you learn about that in math, that this thing takes off, so it can fall, it can keep falling right here, right? This right over here, you know, this is no man's land right here. So this is nothing going on right here. As soon as it falls, it's going to be falling against BTC, which it did in May. Boom. Right there. And then when it takes off, it's going to be huge. It's going to be, I don't know how it'll happen, but it'll be crazy. Start hearing all these stories about, see, we could fall technically. You know, we could fall technically. I don't want to think we could fall past like here. We could fall though a little bit. I mean, you know, we could come down here. Really don't want to think we could come down there, but we might have to, just to test some of these noobs. Just to test some of the noobs, because that might be a thing. They might want to test the noobs with these levels, and if we fell down here back to 1, I don't think we'll fall that low, honestly. I think maybe we're pretty much, I mean, we're at 3. What do you think, Luke? You think we'll fall from here? Looking at this graph right here. So, Luke, do you think we could fall to 174? What do you think, bro? Think we could fall to 174? Is that possible? It's not probable, I don't think. I mean, we'd really have to have market collapse. We'd have to see Bitcoin Cash get audited all the way down with Bitcoin under 20K. I don't see that. I honestly don't. You know, could it happen? Maybe. Will it happen? I don't think so. I don't like to think we're gonna fall all the way down to that area. That's just not a good thought to me. Yeah, I mean, we could. It could happen. Anything's possible. I like to think that we've taken off pretty substantially here. We'll see something like that. You know, kind of ignoring everything, but you know, this being the kicker. If we kick sideways any direction, as long as this exists somewhere on that line, we're safe. I mean, we're looking at 25, 30x, and that's being very, very modest. For BCH to go up to a $20 billion market cap would be very easy. By December 10x, that would be nuts. Dude, that 10x, Patrick RG, bro. Nate Nay, what's up? Late night chat, what's up, guys, girls around the world? Yeah, let's wake up, because like this thing, 10x, I'm thinking like 25, 30x. Like we're really, really, if you just turn it in, you know, if I need to stop repeating myself, this right here is huge. We've been falling from Bitcoin audit, boom. all the way down. Bitcoin went up, everything went up. Coupled with it, everything went up. All the major alts went up. So when we fell from here, this is when Grayscale, BCH buying, second generation buying. Well, actually, Grayscale bought over here, but some new people were figuring out about BCH. And if you're new to BCH, I'm so glad you're here. I'm not, I don't want to sit here and say I've been in the game forever. I've been in the game since 2017. So pretty new myself, to say the least. But this right here is huge. If you're just tuning in, Bitcoin Cash inception date, the fort, the hash war, the BTC name, we grinded all the way down here. Guys, we're looking at a log graph, so this is really the size we're talking about. This thing there's no amount of space, it feels like. I mean, this thing really could be like that. And I say that because we've fallen all the way from here, guys. It's like a spring, so at some point, there's got to be an amount. I feel like we're there almost, but there's been so much suppression here, guys, on Bitcoin Cash. BSV as well. BSV had one big pump, I think January of 2020. I think I have BSV still on here. Do I have it? No. BSV, Trading View. The dollar. Useless old dollar. Alright, love Bitcoin Cash. Hi Chad, let's go BCH. Yeah, let's go. You know what it is. I wish I could see how many people are in this chat. Could anybody tell me? Because it says there's only one person. I thought I was the only one watching this. Can easily surpass Bitcoin by 5x minimum. Come on, Luke. 5x? I know you can give me a better recommendation than that, Luke. I'm messing with you. I think 25 to 30x, guys. I mean, I know it sounds... Is there anybody in here that's been in crypto since before 2017? Throw me a text, shoot me a text. I'd love to know if anybody... We can easily see Bitcoin 5x. So I'm thinking like 25, 30x would be realistic for Bitcoin Cash. And I know that sounds absurd, but so here's BSV. So where are we at here? So obviously two things that could happen. We could fall, continue to fall, or we can take that idea out of our heads because everything's moving up here. Where are we going to fall? Where are we going to end? Who knows? We could go all the way down here. Do this nice little number. BSV's done this nice little number a few times. Am I gonna get any? Don't be hating on BSV. We're all cryptos here. I'm trying to get everybody to see that because I used to not like BSV either, but by next halving, no joke. Oh yeah, Luke, like it's coming soon, my man. It's coming soon here, guys. Yeah, so basically, here we go. BSV looking really kind of the same thing. These huge, these were massive, like 5x pumps right here. 5x or fork. Gotta really kind of ignore this one because the whole market fell. It fell with it. 2018, that thing fell. It went up. This was like a pretty good 5x. All right, past BTC and what? By next having no joke, 20x could happen in 3 years. Oh yeah, definitely in 3 years, but I think a lot sooner, just because I feel like we're so past due on Bitcoin Cash. A lot of the alts. I think it's obvious to say that we're like super past due here. I really can't stress enough. Like, I feel like we're almost so past due it's not scaring me, but it's almost like, because if we keep falling down to like, we're looking at BSV right now, guys, but I mean, like, I just don't see these prices. I mean, like, where we're at, I get, you know, I totally get where we're at right now. I can vision BCH at 25. Yeah, thank you, my man. Chadwick, that I don't know if you meant the wick by me, but thank you, Luke. I'm thinking so. I'm thinking, like, honestly, Bitcoin Cash user adoption is so big already. The idea of a usable crypto is so much better than a store of value. You can still store it as value while you're using it as a crypto. The merchant onboarding for crypto is so overlooked right now. You know, we're looking at BSV, guys, right now. This is a totally different platform. This isn't even peer-to-peer electronic cash, even though it does aim to be the lowest form or lowest fee for payment of peer-to-peer electronic cash. So, you know, if we're looking at Bitcoin, we have to look at Bitcoin as an entire entity, not just this payment system, you know, not just this financial platform hub for economic powerhouses around the entire globe, which is BSV. I mean, you know, there's different projects. We might not even use Ethereum smart contract platform in the future. We might just use Ethereum, you know, Ether, their cryptocurrency on Ethereum. That might be what becomes the best one. And if it does, whatever. My goal at the end of the night and the end of the show is it does not matter in the end of which one, you know, they're all going to go up thousands of times from where they're at. If you're in this since before 2017, which I was not, I'm not going to sit here and blow smoke up your ass, but this stuff is probably the biggest thing in mankind. And just the fact that people don't notice that is just flabbergasting. I'll tell you, Patrick, my pleasure. We are the next. Sorry, guys, I'm reading this, but it's exciting. You know, I'm glad you guys are interacting with Bitcoin Cash. I'm in BSV too. Word. I should have thought that, Luke. Honestly. BCH. Alright, when's the next halving date? Guys, did we answer that for him? Bitcoin Cash, 25K by December this year. I don't, man. Yeah, the halving, my man. That's a coming too, so Bitcoin Cash halving. Let's check it out. I don't have all these dates in my head. I can't keep track of all of them. Halving dates. Gonna be huge though. Here we go. ETA. That's when that block's gonna hit in a certain height. Countdown. You can go check out the countdown right here. Halving for Bitcoin Cash, guys. Huge for Bitcoin Cash. If anybody's just watching, you know, about the halving of Bitcoin Cash, like somebody was asking on here, 2024. So if you're, you know, don't take this the wrong way. A noob, which I'm a noob too. I told you guys, I'm a noob too. So, you know, don't take that word. We're not playing Counter-Strike. You know, you're a noob, I'm a noob, we're all a noob. So Bitcoin Cash halving date is a massive thing for Bitcoin Cash. This trajectory is following the same course as Bitcoin. Maybe not identical like to the graph, but in terms of user adoption, we're on ground level getting peer-to-peer electronic cash. Do we all know that? Are we all on the same page here? Probably so, because you know, peer-to-peer electronic cash is likely, I would say, probably the biggest thing for crypto. I mean, what could be, if you think of the Forex market, I mean, I'm not even talking about as in that, but just the actual Forex market in itself. I mean, that's like, wow, what is it, like $1 quadrillion? It's like this absurd amount of like money. What is it? $1 quadrillion 2,000 trillion or something like that. I mean, think about that, guys, girls. It's a massive, massive number. You know, and if anybody's wondering why my voice is all low, I've got somebody sleeping in the next room. So this is my nighttime voice. So Bitcoin Cash. Let's look at it. Right, trailing at 311, 313. And I'm telling you, this right here is gonna jive. It's gonna suppress. When we cross 6K, 4K, it's gonna be mind-blowing. People are gonna not even believe that they're, for one, that they're holding the bag that big. But you gotta be patient with this, guys, because here's what happens. If we take it, all right, just let's say we're taking it right now. Long-term bag holders are gonna wanna start letting go around here because they're selling into the hype, right? But we're gonna go way past there. And this is gonna look a lot different. That's what's gonna happen, guys. It's gonna go massive. This whole thing right here, it's an illusion. It's existed down here. It's gone here. It's tokenomics behind Bitcoin Cash. These are straight tokenomics. That's how these things work. Very, very, very smart, intelligent software computer system that's got crazy, crazy, crazy security, immutable security, censorship resistant security, trustless peer-to-peer, network on-chain. We're looking at Bitcoin Cash and anything else that you hear me talk about. All right, yeah, June 3rd, 2022, dash halving, yeah, word. Guys, I gotta grab some water here. We can living in space, brother. Yeah, we're gonna be living in space, but here's the thing. Once Bitcoin Cash crosses $6,000, $10,000, $20,000, there is gonna be extreme euphoria. And honestly, I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna be just insane and just hold and probably lose, it's hard to gauge. I would say, I think the first run up could easily be to 20K. Absolutely, easily achievable. 20K for Bitcoin Cash. I'll be right back. When we cross in 1K Bitcoin Cash, well, hopefully tomorrow. Hopefully we'll start taking off here pretty soon. Patrick, do you think we'll take off soon? BCH to the moon. I don't know. What do you think about Lambo soon? Patrick, do you think we'll have Lambo soon? Look at this. Look at this level right here. 5K. If we can cross 5K, I don't ever remember us going past, like, I think this was on a Korean exchange where we hit 4,200. I don't remember seeing it past like 3,700, 3,800, 3,800. Get some water. Be right back, guys. Enjoy this because this is gonna look so different soon. see what I missed here. BCH. No, I think I'll take until next winter. I got a lot of BCH coins. I can't wait. Patrick. We got to get you some more BCH coins. I want you to have as many BCH coins as you possibly need, my good man. Probably the next 7 months. Yeah, I'd like to see the rally. Man. Freaking wedgie here. Sorry, YouTube. Fixing a wedgie on live stream. Pretty pathetic. Alright, that's way better. Alright, so... Wow. I'd like to see this happen. Something like this. I'd like to see another fall right here. I'd like to see it fall, honestly. Fuck it. Fuck the crypto community. Fuck all you guys. Alright, let's see. I'd like to fall... No, I'm kidding here, guys. No, I'm joking. Appreciate every bit of time you dedicate to just letting me ramble about crypto. Love crypto, guys. I like everything about it. I don't think we could ever test this level. I mean, we theoretically could. I want everybody to be completely aware that we could. I don't want to scare anybody. I don't want to hype the situation up if it doesn't have to be. But at the same time, we absolutely could. We could see a massive dump, but then we could see immediate recovery. So if it does dump, and I mean, I know I'm talking super low level here, guys. We're talking about 136 per Bitcoin Cash. Crypto will bounce back. Yeah, we're already very disappointing crypto overall. Very disappointing crypto overall. Or you don't like crypto in general? DWM27? Or what do you mean by that? You don't? Very disappointing crypto overall. I'm not trying to back you into a corner, man. I'm just trying to figure out, what you mean by that. I can probably try to get you to like crypto better if you don't like crypto. But we could definitely dump. So, DWM27, if you don't like crypto and we do dump to this level, 140, 136 Bitcoin Cash, anywhere near it, 130, any of this level here. I mean, I'm talking right here where this green dot goes up, this one goes down, this general area. You're talking 2x, 3x immediately from there. So that being said, I don't think that will happen. Those aren't my predictions of what will happen. I don't think we're going to go this low, honestly. But if we do, expect immediate recovery back up. So what in order is if it doesn't happen, because it likely won't. I think we're going to take off from space here. Really, I mean, we could run sideways a little bit longer, and take it out a little bit longer and run sideways and do this, do however the graph does. Stop shaking. That's better. It's a little bright though, huh? At least on me it is. Getting kind of late up here, everybody, so if I seem a bit delusional, that is the reason why. So, I don't know why it won't let me move higher up. All these platforms are different, and I'm just learning TradingView for the first time. I've done it a few other times and not liked it, but unfortunately I had to resort to it because none of the graphs go back far enough on a lot of the altcoins that I look at. I don't even think they go back on this platform, so I'll be jumping platforms if I talk about them. I mean, it's just inevitable. I don't know why the censored data is so important. I mean, we all know why, but at the same time, this should be easy access for exchanges. I mean, this is honestly a little bit of a shame on them, in my opinion. All right, so I'm just gonna read some of these comments. Sorry, I haven't really have a really proper setup for this live stream, so I'm just going off my phone and then doing this thing. Maybe I'll update it at some point. I'm trying to build it out and make it actually decent to watch. So that's my goal in this, is to make it, streamlined, where I can show you everything cool I want to show you. Predictions, I think I'm gonna nail spot on, and I think everybody else's predictions here are pretty spot on too. Like, we're just very under where we should be right now. I mean, we should really be up here at 5K. I mean, this should be pretty soon, I would say. And it doesn't have to. We can definitely go back down here. Like I said, it doesn't have to be this big thing. If we have to lose another 65% of our portfolio, because if we dip to this level, expect immediate recovery. I mean, like, literally, it'll be, if you have any money sitting on the sidelines and we test any of these levels, like, it's going to be pretty much the chance of a lifetime to cross any of these levels again. We could. I don't think we will. I really don't. I really don't think we're going to go. I like to think that this pretty much is controlled. Pretty much either, manufacturedly or, enough bag holders have it offline and some cold wallets and, hot wallets, and don't have the exchanges having full control over this. Because if we go and look, we know for a fact they got a lot of control right here, 24-hour volume. So we know exchanges have a lot of control on Bitcoin Cash. Unfortunately, I know a lot of this is being traded. There's e-commerce on it, all that jazz, but at the same time, there's a lot being traded. So I've noticed that every time I check volume on Coinbase, BACH is top 5. Yes, Patrick, you're right again. Luke, you're the best, my man. And I'm not the best. I'm here for you. Pass out. I woke up because you came back on. I came back on, man. I'm up all night. You're going to bed this early, bro. It's only 12:40 our time. You're up near the Bay Area. It's not even late. Wake back up, man. I'm gonna give you a big old headache before you go to bed about Bitcoin Cash. I'm gonna sell you Bitcoin Cash right now. So, just messing, my man. Enjoy your evening. If you gotta go to sleep, by all means, don't stay up on my account. Nothing really going on here except for really just exploring these prices, exploring where they could go. I mean, they just look so different, don't they? I mean, look at this. This is just... People can't comprehend the amount of euphoria that this could be. So, it's a very powerful thing. Very powerful thing. I was about to pass out. Not Coinbase, Coin Market Cap. Anyone have BSV? Yeah, I got BSV, Nate. Not Coinbase, Coin Market Cap. Yeah, Coin Market Cap. Bitcoin Cash is around number 5 in volume. Always. Bitcoin Cash is always one of the top. Bitcoin Cash is always one of the top coins. Joking. I gotta take a smoke break, guys. I'll be right back. Going silent over here. Maybe some music here. I like this kind of music when I'm just kind of like exploring through some crazy altcoins. Take a quick little smoke break. I'll be back. Cheers. Oh. Enjoy the smoky. I did just enjoy the smoky. Draw a trend line on the daily and weekly from March 2019 at 75, 360 times. Every time it hits the trend line, it jumps at least 5x. Are you talking about Bitcoin Cash, Luke? Oh, is that the trend line you're talking about? Was that by chance in the general zone I just was? Right here? Right here, Luke? Are you talking about right here? Because this is where Bitcoin Cash, like you said, 5x. I don't know. Maybe it's right here. I'm not going to draw a trend line. I'm way too stoned for that. But nonetheless, it's probably somewhere around here. But I don't like to think we're going that far, Luke, honestly. That would kind of scare me if we got down to these levels. Like I said, Bitcoin would have to break down under 20K to take us down to this. And that's given following the same trend from the coupled Bitcoin rise that all the alts got right here. Not to mention some went higher than that. So let's extend this down a little bit, honestly. We're talking Ethereum Classic, other ones, right? They went lower, so we gotta go a little bit lower. I definitely don't think we're going here. This is like Christmas time, 2018, big fork, BSV. So this is additional loss, but this was a big Bitcoin loss as well. So this was kind of the final fall off, I guess you could call it, for cryptos in that cycle period for 2017. This right here plus the fork, it didn't damage Bitcoin Cash, but it on some level messed with it. I think we would have, obviously if we didn't have BSV, graphs would be higher. We would definitely probably be up here. BSV, we would have already retouched up here for sure. I'm just gonna read some of these comments, guys. Mostly here from Luke. Trend line. Enjoy the smoky. Laugh your ass off, Luke, man. I want you to have a good time before you pass out. I'm gonna go to bed here soon too, but I just gotta hit home plate with the. If we fell in here, that would be absurd. That would be. Were you saying draw the trend line to 75, Luke? Was I reading that correctly? Oh yeah, definitely gonna hit a 5x if we go to that level for sure. Absolutely. Yeah, and Luke, you might good and damn well be right. Now that you're saying that's actually probably the more realistic probability. Because if Bitcoin went under 20K, if Bitcoin did go under 20K, now would I have thought that over here? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. I would have not thought that over here. Absolutely not. Now, everything coupled with Bitcoin going up and then everything dropping to where, Luke, you're saying, a trend line from 355 down. So I'm assuming that's right where you're talking about. So, 75, yippee-ki-yay, you're definitely right about that. You would definitely get a 5x out of that. And if we follow a Bitcoin drop considerably lower, under 20K, yes, actually, I think you were right, Luke. You might be going to bed, but you actually, yeah, you're right. We could go down to 75. Yep, you're smart. I don't know how you figured that. You said you did the trend line or whatever, but that would be following the coupled decline from May. That's only following the decoupled trend line from May. It would have to fall very quickly, and there would be an extreme panic, an extreme dump, even if we came anywhere close. I think you know, we could just say the whole market and equivalent to Bitcoin Cash being $104. If the whole market was in line with falling like to that magnitude, yes, you know, that could fall to 75 and bounce back up and hit a 5x. Yeah, I don't like to think that would happen, but anything's possible. I like to think we're going to take off from here. I like to think there's a pretty good bit of support, you know, 160 and up, at least 190 and up. You know, really down here, we have really strong support, I feel like. I don't like to think we're going to go down to 75. That scares me a little bit. Not scares me. I mean, I wouldn't change my stance on anything. I wouldn't sell anything. But all right, what time is it? 12:47. So you just sent this, Luke. 5x from 350 is 1750. Oh, oh yeah. Basic math, right? Is that I don't know what I'm talking numbers if we dropped, Luke, but yeah, absolutely. We're definitely doing a 5x from 350. I think we're doing a 25x though, like in the short term, like even in the next. You know, I always like to think Bitcoin Cash is on a 3-month cycle to 25x, to 10x. And that might sound absurd with Bitcoin Cash sitting at $311, you know, approximate. That might seem absurd to hear. Bitcoin won't crash from looking at it. I don't know if it wasn't happening until May or June. Do you think, all right, so Luke, are you saying you think crypto and Bitcoin could take it under a rug pull to 20K? Just answer me that. Do you think Bitcoin can go under 20K again? No, BCH won't drop below 300 anymore. Honestly, yeah. I mean, I like to think that's where I've been honestly calling support for a while in my head, was the 300 threshold. Like, if I thought if we can hold the 300 threshold, you know, if the support's really strong there, I feel like that's a doable price. And like I said, Bitcoin Cash, the tokenomics that are set up on it already are the best. So the price eventually will go up inevitably. Doesn't matter if that's here, if that doesn't matter if that's, you know, you want to take that same graph and move it wherever, you know. This is like a Neanderthal trying to do this, but you see my point, right? We can take this graph all the way over here. We can run sideways all the way over here. And if we run sideways all the way over here, we can still take off at any point. Doesn't matter where we take off. It's gonna happen regardless. It's gonna happen just like Doge. It's gonna happen just like ETC. And ETC, I think, could probably go to $400 or $500 this cycle. Those coins are gonna jump even more. You know, that's just a prediction. I don't know. Maybe we'll go down to $75. Would everybody here still hold if we did? No, I sure as hell would. Bitcoin will run 85K. Gonna drop. 85K for Bitcoin in the near term. Yeah, I could definitely see that. That would definitely be something to happen. Yeah, for sure. Look at it. Bitcoin Cash for you. I'm just gonna go blink. Could do a billion things on this way up. It could take off faster. The more people that dump up here at like 39, 4,000, that's when it's gonna really take off, is when people start profit taking in right here, 5,200, 3,100, and that's when Bitcoin Cash is gonna explode. Get 2K easily from its current price. Rather put 40K in BCH for an easy 5x gain this short. Are you, I mean, you know, and you don't have to answer this, Luke, but are you going for a short-term position on Bitcoin Cash, or are you gonna hold through, you know, are you gonna hold through to, like, you know, inevitably, you know, are you gonna hold this stuff? And, you know, maybe you don't have to answer that. Maybe don't answer that, actually, but I'm planning on holding Bitcoin Cash. Basically, you know, this is one thing I gotta learn how to do. I gotta learn how to go up on this graph. I need to be able to go to like 20 or 30K. You know, this has got to be this thing's gonna explode, guys. I'm gonna look at some other cryptos. I don't want to kill the moment for Bitcoin Cash, but there's other ones to look at too. Look at Dash right here, for instance. And you know, Dash is a great crypto. It's a fantastic, amazing cryptocurrency. Way more gains to be made in BCH. Oh, than Dash? No, I feel you. I'm not saying Dash is like, you know, I'm not dogging our arcane Bitcoin Cash. No way, Jose. Absolutely not. I am just, you know, Dash is a really good crypto. It's been around for quite a while, and I can just look at it and see where Bitcoin Cash is going. It's not Dash itself I'm looking at. BCH all the way. People held BCH since 2008. We're holding just as long. Haha, damn, dude. You're probably a big bag holder. I'm putting you on the spot, Luke. You're probably been in the game way longer than me. But yeah, you're holding if you're holding Bitcoin, I mean, wouldn't it be honestly the most practical thing to hold your Bitcoin Cash and your Bitcoin SV and your Bitcoin Diamond and your Bitcoin Gold and your Bitcoin whatever? I mean, the list goes on, right? Yes, Dash halving coming up in 2 months, June 3rd, getting for a 10x run. Oh, Dash, yeah, hodl as long as you can. That's right. What we're doing on this channel, guys, we're hodling. We don't ever sell. Nobody on this channel is selling. The difference. Literally just holding the stuff. Whoa, that music went up a little too loud there. Let me go ahead and turn that down. Alright, so basically, I gotta get some more water, guys. Sorry. Be back. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Cash. Long in BTC anymore, IVO. BCH, brother. Man, I think you're smart, bro. I think if you've gone all into BCH, I mean, I think it's the way to go. It just seems the most practical, even from the point that I got into. I liked Bitcoin Cash the moment the fork happened, honestly. Like, I was immediately into Bitcoin Cash because it was like frontline news about basically, you know, what was going on. And it was just like, not only was it blowing my mind up about crypto, but it was also blowing my mind up about like the fact that you could use it as a payment system. That's literally, you know, and there's other cryptocurrencies. I don't want to sit here and say that I can't use Dash. Dash is a great cryptocurrency to use for payments. You know, it's not just Bitcoin Cash, but yes, if you like the Bitcoin Cash branding and you like the user friendliness of it and you like all the great things about it, yes, I say yes. You know, that's that's all I can really say about it. It's amazing. I mean, how much better could you get, guys? I'm not long on Bitcoin anymore. And I'll repeat it again. No, you're not. Because you came to the conclusion in your head that peer-to-peer electronic cash was 20 times 1,000% cooler than just, I mean, it literally just sits there. If you have Bitcoin Cash, it can literally just sit there too. And it can do way more than that too, other than just sit there. I don't know, there seems to be this like thing kind of floating around the internet that the people in Bitcoin Cash like don't want, like we like don't want to accept Bitcoin, or like we're like trying to like start a fight, or like we're just trying to like stir up the shit. And it's like, no, we're trying to, you know, you ask me, do I like other cryptocurrencies? Yes. Do I like Bitcoin? Yes. Are we talking about BTC Core? Okay, I don't like it. Do I still support BTC Core? Yes. Do I own a lot of BTC Core? No, I don't. Do I support Bitcoin Cash? Yes. Do I own a lot of Bitcoin Cash? No, I don't. I mean, I'm not this like massive bag holder. My point is I like something I can actually use. And if Bitcoin Cash doesn't become one of the biggest market caps, or it doesn't take market share from Bitcoin, it doesn't have to, or let's say if I did care about it, which I don't, it doesn't have to go that route for it to be for it to be so easy to use. So if it's so easy to use, why wouldn't it be blown out of proportion way more than any other cryptocurrency? It's on Bitcoin.com. Literally, merchants accept it more Bitcoin Cash than pretty much any other cryptocurrency combined. I mean, if you have any argument with that, you know, throw a name right here. We can investigate it right here, right now. As far as user adoption, it's got that covered. And there's actually ground soldiers out trying to spread the word of Bitcoin Cash. They're doing that on Dash and other cryptos. I'm aware that that's still happening. There's still marketing to, you know, there's one guy on talking about Bitcoin Cash. He was talking about like the marketing not being whatever he was talking. He was like, we should market Bitcoin Cash better, but I don't think that it needs to be necessarily marketed better. It needs to stop being suppressed. And yes, I said it. It needs to stop being suppressed. Whales know about BCH. They will jump in after this April. Maybe. I mean, let's jump. I think they should jump in right now, because I think basically right now what we're looking at, guys, is Bitcoin Cash. This is Dash right here, but what I'm going to show you here is Bitcoin Cash is this part of Dash. So that's not really accurate, but all right, we're just gonna have to go with this because it's still not accurate. But this is a part of Dash. Okay, this is only a couple months. This is like what, 2 years, 2 years, 2 years here. Okay, so 2 years right here. All right, what I want to show you is this crypto stuff, this computer code, it moves in this weird kind of sequence. All right, so what I'm saying is, in this point of time when Dash was, I don't know how many years old, 0 years old in 2014, and how long it is now, you guys do the math, it's taken its course. You can go and look at every single day. You can watch it take its course all the way to now, all the way to present. You can take that same course, go all the way back down, and look at all the cool things it did and all that. Because it's an amazing payment system, because that's what it does. So what I'm saying is this part of the graph in Dash could very well be Bitcoin Cash. And the reason that it's up here and not down here is because you have to add in the fork of BSV, which would have brought this down a little bit. But my point is long term in a log graph, these things go up, okay? Like, what the fuck? Where did that go? Holy doo-doo. So yeah, that's what I'm saying. It does stuff like that. So this is massive, like, yeah, the amount of gain we're talking here on Bitcoin Cash Dash 2 is just crazy amount of gains. So it doesn't have to be 7 months, or could happen really fast. It depends on how many people dump. Wouldn't you agree, Luke? It's also not just how many people are buying the cryptos, but how many people are dumping the cryptos. And I don't mean that in a sense of more people sell, the price goes down. I'm saying those sell orders have to be filled. If those buyers, okay, if the amount of cryptos is going down in circulation, there is not only less obviously in circulation, the people dumping are filling where the price could go. So they're filling, so I know it sounds weird, but the buyers are filling where the dumper's price will go. But when that price fades out and that kind of dies out, I think not only is it going to be artificially pumped, we have enough arsenal, like with Tether and just like everything, the exchanges, everything, we'll just say everything. We have enough arsenal with that amount of crypto and power that we can pump where those buy orders go, where those dump orders go. We can control them both. And we're talking about not only the bag holders, obviously, we're controlling it when we're taking it offline, but I'm saying the exchanges mostly is what I'm talking about. They have enough power in crypto to take those, when those orders start fading out, those buy orders start like fading all the people that are dumping, they're gonna pump the coins, take them higher, figure out that last little bit of like people chasing around the last coin, and they're gonna pump those in sequence. And then once that fades out, then Bitcoin probably will take another giant leap up to like, I don't know, 300K. And that's when the alts will all just go like different routes up, but really fast. You'll see like 4 or 5 coins up that are big name coins up like 20-30% up in like a day for like weeks. I think that could happen too. And if that happened, that would be insane. That's not greed in my eyes, guys. That is people controlling the system, not governments. It's actually the system controlling the system, but it's trustless. It's absolutely trustless. The worst thing we have is the exchanges, honestly. And they're kind of a good and bad kind of thing. I mean, they're not bad because obviously, we have to, for the time being, deal with them. But in terms of, do we need them? No. I mean, do we absolutely need... my TA shows me April 13 will run and be the official run. Best to get now. Paying over $550 for BCH and $56K for Bitcoin. Big Goldilocks zone coming in April 10/13. Off to the races. You did your research, due diligence. Nice, my man. So what is that? April 13th? I will try to remember that date. Luke, I hope you are indeed correct. And you sound like you have been so far. So yeah, this is Dash, guys. Great cryptocurrency. Trustless cash. Absolutely trustless. Look at that, guys. Boom. Amazing, isn't it? I can draw a line. See, when it keeps going is when it really gets cool. Because we have so much power, guys. Like, we have so much at this point. And I say that with absolute conviction because I believe that we do. Believe that we do, guys. I hope you are indeed correct as well. That's why I'm shaking back and forth Oh man, Luke, are you a bot? You got me worried now. Are you a bot, my man? By the way, brother, I'm not a bot. It's what a bot would say, Luke. I don't know if I can, I don't know if I believe you're a real human being. Or if I even care at this point. If you are a bot, you're a cool bot, Luke. Alright? How about that? Alright? You can be AI and still be cool on this channel. I won't hold it against you. But yeah, I mean, Dash could go to, you know, 360,000, a million. I mean, what are we talking here, guys? It went to 1,000 already. I mean, fuck, it went to... Did Dash go to 1,700? That does not... Did it go to 1,700 on Kraken, maybe? Because that doesn't seem accurate. I could be off, but I don't remember. Did Dash go to 1,700? I'm hella real, hella no. Okay, bro. What did Dash go to, if you're real? Even though you could. Luke, you're real, my man. You can be real or not real, like I said. Don't start beef with me, man, or I'll have to block you on the channel. I'm just kidding, Luke. I'm not gonna block you. Luke, but you might be right, bro. I mean, April, that sounds about right. Because if we took off a little bit sideways from here, April took off, that would be dope. That would be incredibly dope. I would hold and watch Bitcoin Cash go to like probably 20 grand and then back down to 5. It would be a great experience. Can't believe Dash is still under 100 right now. Shit's gonna pop off. It's gonna be like so quick. Okay, you're naming prices. Alright, big correction, big days for Fate Record coming, man. Big correction, big days. Yeah, I know, man. Luke, the thing is I really miss just getting some action on some of these alts, like Neo. What do you think of Neo? And like, are you a fan of Waves? Have you ever used the platform? It's a great platform. I've used it, Luke. It's good. Probably used it. I'm telling you, yeah. I know, man. I believe you. I believe you. I do believe you. What about this coin? Like, Decentraland, I was not hardcore into it, but I don't know. It was, I don't remember if I even owned any. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't, but this really took off, and I don't really understand the tokenomics behind Decentraland. I don't know, man. Maybe you could present me a good argument and I would listen to it. I know some of these are new. Stellar's gonna pump, incredible. Dash, VeChain. What platform? What do you mean? What do you mean, what platform? Neo. Oh, Waves platform. Oh yeah. Have you used Waves? Waves platform? You're straight chilling, guys. Having a great time tonight. Straight just using up some data on YouTube. It's 1 a.m. guys, and there's still cryptocurrencies trading there's still cryptocurrencies that are going up. Bitcoin SV is going up right now a little bit. I don't know, man. This is never stops. You know what, Luke? You're not missing anything by not looking up waves, but it is a great platform to make like a token on, and you know, I think the space needs more of that and less of the BS. You know what I mean? I don't know how you feel about NFTs. How does anybody feel about NFTs? Do you think they're overrated? I mean, honestly, are they? I mean, I get the idea, but didn't we have crypto kitties like a couple years ago? You know, like, weren't NFTs a visited subject for crypto kitties with Ethereum? Does anybody remember those crypto kitties? Cats. It's like little like cats. Be back. Alright, man, we live from the moon. Live from the moon, guys. Late night crypto. All sorts of good crypto shit going on this channel. Last year, I'm gonna read some of this stuff. Yeah, bro. You're welcome. You're welcome. Stock should be backed by digital gold standard, backed by physical gold. Yeah. It's not gonna happen, bro. It's too late for that. There's not enough, we'd have bread lines, which we, you know, we could be seeing recession, but you know, is that likely? Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what plays out. I don't like to think that, but what do you think of this, man? I don't know if you can. If you're about to head out, man, but you guys are watching. Thank you for checking it out. This is looking maybe. We could fall, guys. We could fall from here. Brace yourselves for the collapse of cryptocurrencies. Fuck you guys. No, I'm just kidding. Can you believe Craig Wright did that shit though? I mean, seriously? He was literally like, fuck the crypto community. And yet I own BSV, but that was just funny. He's like, fuck the crypto community. I don't know, I thought it was pretty funny. I don't know if anybody saw that. Yeah, Luke is the man, dude. This should be called like the Luke Hour. Let Luke be the TA. Guys, can you guys show me some love here? I feel like I'm getting Luke's getting all my my subscribers. Why don't we just go watch Luke's channel? Denominated by. Yeah, that's smart. Yeah, you guys know what's up. You guys know what's up. Yeah, the governments can only dick us for so long, guys. These decentralized payment coins and stuff, they're gonna go thousands and thousands of percents up. BSV, Monero, all of them. Look at them all night here on this channel. People just don't see. When people start seeing this log graph, man, this is how crypto should be introduced. It's really just once people start seeing how crypto really moves, they're literally the amount of people that are going to buy it. I mean, look at this, guys. This Monero. It's our good friend Monero. I mean, really? I mean, this is our good friend Monero, guys. You gotta take a second here. You know, this is huge. Look at this. We're going way higher. What about, okay, so I got a question. If last whatever, what time were you guys talking about? Whatever Luke said about last year's manufacturer, April's manufactured rug pull, do you think the Plus token scam was indeed a rug pull in the sense of, you know, we're going back obviously to July of 2019. Do you think that was a rug pull and that Plus token scam was the reason Bitcoin pumped up and then dropped? Or do you think that Plus token scam was a manufactured? You see what I'm saying? Yeah, dude, we've been enslaved for so long, guys. This cryptocurrency is our only hope from modern day slavery and communism and dictatorships. It doesn't matter where in the hell you're at in the world. So be ready. Yeah, be ready, guys. Because we're taking our freedom back. Oh damn, you didn't hear about the Plus token scam? Luke, how new are you to crypto? Are you a noob? How long have you been in crypto? Waiting on Luke. I wanna know how long Luke's been in crypto. Anybody know? I'm gonna go back for a study session, Luke. If you give me the wrong answer here. How long have you been in crypto, Luke? I'm not here to judge you. This is a non-judgment, libertarian value, very free and open discussion, censorship resistance. You're a noob? Bro, you know so much. I don't know how you, 2019? Oh, word. Okay, so you've been in the game for a minute. Alright, Luke. You gave me the wrong answer, but you're good. I'm gonna roll with it here. So, I'm gonna go to... I don't trust these graphs on here, so it's getting kind of late though. Getting kind of late. Wouldn't you say it's getting kind of late? Yeah, hella homework. Yeah, man, you did your homework, bro. I'm glad you reached this channel. Glad you reached this this free market channel where you can literally come in and talk about whatever you want about any cryptocurrency. As long as it's about cryptocurrency, you can come in here and have open discussion about it. You will not be shunned. You will not be ostracized. You will not be anything you want to say about crypto. Anybody can say anything they want on this channel. It's a free and open channel. See what I mean? It only goes back to 2014. This piece of crap. That's why I gotta do this, Luke. You haven't been given the real story. 99 Bitcoins. Price. We're leaving TradingView. We're going to this website because I know this is accurate. I've been around for enough to know that this is where we're going. You like the tunes? Alright, I just can't leave. I've studied ₚ charts back to 2008. Well, word. This radio station is... I don't know the name of it. I don't know if it's a radio station. It's just something I found online. There it is, though. I guess the Mixed Hound is the DJ of the hour. Yeah, man, Luke, let me tell you, Bitcoin Cash is really over the last couple years has really grown. And really some of the people that I really respect in the community are involved in Bitcoin Cash. You know, honestly, Craig Wright's not a bad dude. I don't want to try to sound like I'm pushing on anybody that Craig Wright, but go listen to the man. He's actually, you know, a pretty smart person, and there's a lot of people in the space that kind of, not just Roger and Craig, but there's been a lot of people in the space that have just been ostracized for whatever reason. Crypto is supposed to be free, open, trustless. You know, Bitcoin's had its issues already with Mt. Gox, Silk Road. It's already been through a lot of trials and errors of market cycles, and like I said, the tokenomics behind it. The tokenomics of crypto, it would not anybody in the entire world could probably totally know everything about what it could evolve into. Not Vitalik, not any of these other people, like any of these other 10,000 crypto coins that exist. From the greed side to the analytical blockchain data science side type person, nobody knows what it could evolve into. So, you know, that's it. It's gonna explode. Yeah, but the longer we stay low in BCH, the higher we go. Absolutely. You know, I've been talking about the down Bitcoin Cash wedge for like, you know, ever. So, you know, yeah. Just kidding, guys. That was really arrogant, wasn't it? It's like, dude, who cares? But yeah, the downward wedge against Bitcoin Cash is perfect. I mean, like, it's so good to just go and look at that downward wedge against Bitcoin. And that's really why I like the Bitcoin SV wedge, guys. And I'm not trying to sell you guys on Bitcoin SV. I'm just saying, take a look at it. You know, you guys have been with me on Bitcoin Cash. I am trying to diverse into other cryptocurrencies. You always have to keep investing in Bitcoin Cash. That's a no-brainer. So, you know, I don't want to, you know, I'm not trying to say, oh, you gotta go only buy BSV. Take a look at some of the other ones. There's a ton of cryptocurrencies that are worth looking at. You know, just explore all the cryptos. There's so many. There's so many that are just worth your time. See what this looks like in dark mode. Not much different, huh? Do you guys prefer that? The show's all about you guys. It's I'm really trying to bring to the table, guys, nothing but like useless information. It's really me trying to bring you something that's that you can know that this is what I think, this is kind of where I'm going with it. You'll know that it's, you know, it may not be accurate all the time, but for the most part, you know, once you start kind of going into crypto and seeing it, you're just amazed. I mean, like, the volatility of Bitcoin, just look at it. It's when it first started, in the first 2 years of Bitcoin. Seriously? Under a fucking penny? One penny. 30 cents, 70 cents, $8, 30. Can I please? I really like using those teeth though. I knew somebody was gonna not like that, but I can't promise that. I really can't. I mean, I really like the teeth. I know it's kind of, I don't know if you've ever seen that show, Seinfeld, where it's, you gotta watch it. There's this little thing that the two characters do, and they can't give it up, and he ends up losing his girlfriend over it. It's one of those things. I might have to stop using the teeth. I don't want to make Stark Origin. I don't want to make one of my friends on here angry. So yeah, I might have to stop doing the teeth, huh? I don't know, maybe. We'll see. I might throw it in there every once in a while. I can't promise. Maybe less of the teeth and more of the crypto, huh? Look at these cycles, guys. See, the thing with the teeth, and I gotta go back to it, Stark Origin, I might have to do the teeth. It's just part of the whimsical kind of ideology that I follow. So I can't say I'm not going to do the teeth, because I might do the teeth as quick as tomorrow, just because that was the thing. So we're on the far side of the moon here, guys. We can talk about anything crypto related. We can talk about my teeth in the thumbnail. I'm here for you guys and girls. If there's any ladies in the house tonight. It's just that new investors might think BCH's investors are crazy. Well, that's the reason I did it. So there's a reason. Bitcoin Cash, all right, Bitcoin Cash is inevitably, you have to look at Bitcoin Cash inevitably going up. Any new investor that wants to see that and not register for what it is, the user adoption on Bitcoin Cash in the background is happening unparalleled by any other crypto. There is not another coin in Bitcoin Cash, other than Bitcoin Cash, that is performing in parallel with money systems, integration, things being built out infrastructure-wise to allow it to be a payment system. It's already happening in the Caribbean. It's, before you know it, it'll be happening all in South America, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, Colombia. There are ground soldiers in those areas already opening up mom and pop merchants. And down there, those are the kind of businesses that run the economy. Those are the kind of businesses people use on a daily basis. The amount of, the way the tokenomics are set up on Bitcoin Cash are so advanced that, and tokenomics mean a lot of things. It's not just what the use case of the token or coin or whatever payment system. There's different types of things. The scale of it is huge on Bitcoin Cash. I can't stress that enough. Just the timing of everything, the psychological tokenomics that apply, not just to mention just the fundamentals, but the actual emotion behind where the prices go. It's euphoric. You might as well be looking at Bitcoin Cash. You might as well be looking at Bitcoin Cash way back here. Well, actually, Bitcoin Cash. Justin, I know you might be angry with Craig. And I understand, and you're welcome to say that here. You're welcome to say anything you want here. So I want you to know that. So just because you disagree with me on BSV, well, I don't know if you're saying Craig right. So a lot of people were saying he, is BSV, but nonetheless, you can have any view you want here. I want to be very clear on that. You're free to say whatever you want. If you don't like Craig, that can be said. It's free, open discussion. We can say anything we want. But Bitcoin Cash, back to that. This is basically no man's land, right? No man's land. Bitcoin Cash. Here we are. Bitcoin Cash right here, guys. Bitcoin Cash right here. It's going to follow the same trajectory. So I would say, obviously we're talking about inception of Bitcoin Cash right here, because it never went up like this, but from here on we're about this point here. So we'll take a leap up, unimaginable levels, and then like I said, this will be the crash. It'll cycle, it'll run sideways for a bit, and then the big jump will come before the halving. I don't know, what do you think? And then it'll just keep on going. It'll never stop. This is just gonna keep on going. Yeah, it's a big asset under undervalued. Guys, I'm gonna have to take off in a minute. It's getting late, and I just heard my girlfriend have a nightmare in the bedroom. I just heard her scream. She screamed pretty loud. It kind of scared me for a minute. But look at this, guys. This is huge. If anybody wants me to send them crypto, let me know. I can send you a variety of different cryptos.
Smile big. Your best day ever at university.
If you want me to send you any crypto, let me know, guys. Can definitely make that happen. Definitely be happy to do that for anybody who would like any crypto for free. Get some new music going here. Oh, what do you guys think about these live channels? There's a few people watching. I don't really know. Is it worth me doing? Yeah, I think she's okay. I just heard her scream. She kind of talks in her sleep. Luke, thanks for asking. So it's not uncommon for her to scream like that in her sleep. She does get loud in her sleep when she talks. So what do you think about these live streams, guys? Are they worth me doing? I don't know. It's just kind of me sitting here, just kind of going through this shit. EO, man. It's a big project, gonna come back at some point. Talk about this shit all night. Man, how long has this thing been going? How much are we on? 2 hours now? 2 hours of live streaming on nothing but crypto. It's kind of a thing where I guess you gotta watch live, right? I don't know, man. I might have to do the teeth. I can't see that going anywhere. It's just too good. Because people can deny crypto all they want. The teeth are happening. I like making a fool out of myself sometimes. And I don't think it harms the brand, so I'm just gonna keep doing it. Sorry. I gotta keep doing it. I gotta keep doing the teeth. It just can't, it can't be, I'm not gonna be influencing people in crypto. People are gonna come to me to level with me about crypto stuff that maybe I can offer them that they don't know. They're not gonna come to learn about crypto. If they've hit my channel by the idea of it, they know about crypto. I'm assuming everybody here knows done a little bit of homework. You guys aren't just you're not just arriving at this channel under the impression that you're trying to learn the first things about crypto. Nobody would click any of my videos. That's kind of the point. I don't want everybody to find this channel. I want the people to find this channel, like Stark Origin, Lucan, several other people that are watching right now. 5 or 6 people. This is a chill as fuck zone. Yeah, man, this is chill. Yeah, man, I'm glad you're wide awake. Luke, do you have a YouTube? Your technical analysis or anything? Do you just do it on your own? I'll be back. Yeah, bro. If you ever want to get down and do a stream on here, we could make that happen too. I mean, it's probably a little too much effort for us to do that. I would rather you just make your own and put it up and let me support it. You know, I could spend a lot of time doing a technical analysis on crypto, but a lot of the time I feel that it doesn't even follow a technical analysis, and I'm sure you could probably do one really good. But a lot of times for me, when I start seeing a technical analysis fall into play, I'll see an altcoin do something crazy. But man, I would absolutely love to see your Bitcoin Cash TA. I mean, if you have one that's like, you know, spot on, going through everything. A lot of people just jump on here and they start throwing all these things, and oh, there's a Bollinger Band, and you know, there's a cup and handle, and blah 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 blah. And I hate that shit. So I'd like to see your technical analysis. Do it on my own. Definitely have to figure out a way. Yeah, you gotta do some streams, bro. You gotta get streaming for Bitcoin Cash. We're not gonna change the world if we're just sitting around. So you gotta get off your ass. You gotta get off your ass, man, and you got to spread the great global currency, Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, come on, Bitcoin Cash. It's amazing. Great crypto. So much stuff on Bitcoin Cash. Can't wait to see Neo pop. Neo is gonna jump up too. Oh yeah. Yeah, so the reason that's happening is because there's people buying every time. There's people constantly have been buying Bitcoin Cash for so long. Like, not only Grayscale, but did you hear that Grayscale is doing their stock buyback on their cryptocurrency stock holding trusts that follow the spot prices? Because, like, they're not matching up enough with the crypto price. You can't follow, and I have holdings in some of those because I want to see how they play out. I don't think there's going to be a way for stocks, even that follow crypto, or derivatives for that matter, on a separate note, that are going to be able to actually do what crypto does, if that makes sense. Not only on a price discovery point, but just in functionality. Like how would that play out, right? It's kind of mind-blowing. You're gonna have now a payment system that has derivatives products built on top of the spot price of the exchange rate, but it's not really an exchange rate. It's coins being minted that are mined, that are distributed at a depreciation. Like, it's just so much different than just a stock following the price. I know you have you have the exact same thing that I want to do. You want to be an ambassador for BCH. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know how many BCH you have. I would say if you had enough, that's definitely possible. I don't have enough to do that, even if it went to 20,000. I don't know how big you want to go ambassador BCH, but that's a hell of an ambition, and an admirable ambition, to say the least. Yeah, dude, Neo looks like BCH. Thanks for noticing. That's what I was trying to. That's That's why I look at all this shit. It looks just like BCH, right? That doesn't at all. Yeah, BCH is taking a hit, man. It's going to be the most resilient cryptocurrency, though, there is. Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin. This is taking a hit right here. We'll go to 100K on Bitcoin Cash. ₌ will be accurate on that. We'll see it in our lifetime. Trying to read these things, man. I gotta figure out a better setup for my my live stream, dude, because this is like I'm having to like read my phone to read the text chat. Bro, if you want to go to the door-to-door promoting Bitcoin Cash, that is one of the most admirable goals I've heard in a while. The fact that you would do that. It's amazing. It really is. You could go door to door and sell people on Bitcoin Cash. I don't really think you necessarily have to talk to them either. You could actually just talk to a few people and, like, I don't know, say you were at an apartment complex and there were 1,000 units. You talk to 100 units, you drop cards with all the information about how to get in touch with Bitcoin Cash, and even maybe somehow put on get some kind of wallet or something to sponsor a free donation if you sign up. That way you can get Bitcoin Cash for free. Kind of like the faucet system for Bitcoin when it was originally implemented, where people could get free Bitcoin, something like that. And then you could, you wouldn't have to talk to every single person. Yeah, no signatures, bro. You can just literally... It's getting there, man. There's going to be money machines around us, like literally, as in like in physical form, money machines that are going to be verifiable nodes running on Bitcoin Cash, literally as mining processors that are going to be on some kind of like satellite grid system. It's going to be insane. There's literally going to be money mining systems locally, as in like these nodes that are going to be machines on the ground that are going to connect to probably our cell phones, or at that point there might be some kind of just like wireless touch thing from here to your finger, on your watch, tap to pay, shit like that, all on Bitcoin Cash. The whole mining and everything is going to be far more in depth and just very, very complex in terms of advancements. And they're going to be milestone advancements. They're going to be massive, and it's just going to explode. That's in the short term. We already have payment cards. 2017, that was the hype for payment cards. That's now. That's not because of the pump recently either. Another thing, all the BTC folks are holding their BCH and BSV. Don't be fooled. Something that big of a deal, and they're not holding their shit. No way. They're holding their BSV, BCH, likely. Yeah, man. Well, hopefully if Bitcoin Cash goes to a livable expense where we can do that in the modern age with inflation, Luke, I don't think it's going to happen. We'd have to take Bitcoin Cash to like 50,000 a coin for that to happen. I mean, is that possible in this rally? I don't know, maybe. It's possible. Anything's possible. I don't want to think Bitcoin Cash can go there, but that's a long way to go. I gotta call the show, guys. It's coming to that time. I'm getting exhausted. It's 2 a.m. my time. It's a late night show. I appreciate everybody turning out and appreciate everybody coming out. I'll try to maybe keep doing the live shows randomly. Maybe I could set a time or something in the future. I figure out how to do all that, but that requires work, and the work was to get those teeth in the photo. That was the main thing. I'm just kidding. Yeah, so it's been fun, and maybe we'll reapproach some of these altcoins another day. They always are changing. I would say that expect double around the board in the next little while. I don't even want to put a time on it. I think it could be really quick. 100x or 100% gain, 1x, then maybe 2x, 3x. We'll see. Thank you. Good night, David. Thank you. Luke, good night, everybody else. Person earlier who commented about my teeth, but Justin Freesoul, thank you for watching. Stark Origin, good night. Thank you. Thank you. We'll not do the teeth thing anymore. Last video with the teeth. Yeah, I think that's everybody who's watching. Nate Nay, thank you for coming out. I'm gonna take it out, guys, because it's getting that time. So I'm gonna let this song kind of roll out, and I'll probably just close out at any given point. We rocked. Thanks you so much. Definitely dope, Luke. We'll do it again. We'll definitely do all these late night turn-ups again. Most likely on like a Friday or Saturday night. Probably when I'll do it. You want to tune back in. They're not all the live videos aren't going to be like this. This is just this is VIP. So you got to turn out with us live. Dope community. for watching again, guys. Been fun. Have a great night.